Today we're going to make some super cute peace sign heart earrings using 20 gauge wire. You need your tools, some earring hooks, and some round forms. So we'll take 2 pieces of 20 gauge wire. They're about 10 to 12 inches long and about 2 to 3 inches from the end. We're just going to take our flat pliers, hold the wires together so we can get them the same size, and we're going to bend it on an angle. You can push with your thumb to make a sharper angle there. Depending on how big you want the heart, we can use a round form. The pen works well for this. You can use a bigger one if you want bigger earrings. And we're just going to take this and bend that one down and hold the other side and take this and bend it down. Do a quick peek to see if they're about the same size. You can always roll it up a bit more if you need it bigger, and then take this and bend it down. So we have our hearts approximately the same size, and then we're just going to separate them. And then I'm going to take the shorter end and bend it straight up. From there we'll get the round pliers, help it along. We're just going to start the bend with the round pliers. Hold the wires down with your thumb and just bring this wire all the way around and back up to the top. You can squeeze those in a little bit. And from here we can push this wire up, and we want to flip this over, and we want to bring this long wire through those loops and straight down. So we have the short end going up and the long end coming down. Now you might have to straighten this out a little bit. Make sure it's centered. You can adjust it so it's in the middle, and it'll go straight down. From here we're going to flip it. We want to bend it around to the front. Now if you're worried it's going to shift, get your round pliers right underneath where that bend is and just start the bend with your round pliers. Hold it in place and bring it right around so it catches that bottom part. Now you can push it down in there and really pinch it in there. So now bring this wire straight up, decide where you want to make that bend, hold this and bend it down on an angle to make that side of the peace sign. Now this is going to come to the front, this is the back, so we're going to bring it over here. Again, you can start the loop with your round pliers if you want, or just hold it very snugly and bring it straight up. Push it. Here, position it, center your pliers, and bring that down. So from here, flip it and bring that one to the back and push it. Here we're going to clip it so it's flush. Push it in with your hand or with your pliers. We'll clip that to about 1/2 inch. Take your round pliers, hold the end, bend it back and twist it around so the loop is centered at the back. From here we'll get our earring hook, or you can make your own. We're going to stick the hook on there. I'll link up below some tutorials on how to make your own earring hooks. And there we have our super cute heart peace sign earrings. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.